Maskendeals to a funk beat. Maskendeals to a funk beat.
And his opponent, from Germany, weighing in at 221 pounds, the Masked Man.
I talk about morality, but my bank account is laughing. Gold in sight, contracts in the wind. Lobbying is my game, I collect and grin. I dance
Singles action on its way, and it sounds like this arena is more than ready to kick this one off.
So is social media, Michael. The opening bell hasn't even rung, and yet both these superstars are already trending.